Hi
everyone. Thanks for coming
Welcome back to our channel. Y'all, this is a little follow-up to our mukbang, which was a mess.
Yeah, I mean, but you came to look at how good we look, right?
Yeah, that's really probably the only reason why you clicked on this video.
I mean, look at our tags. Here's a little intro to our channel, our crazy lives. Trigger.
Can you
Sorry,
say, we can't say crazy.
Anyways, so I've been gone for a while. I know this is Sophia Chanel's channel.
Damn.
But, you know, we're thinking of just doing something together, right?
We are going to start making videos together, so that's going to be on a weekly basis.
Yes, on a weekly. Snap your fingers, cross them, whatever you like.
Cross the T's,
Yes.
dot the I's, we're back.
Yes, we are back.
Expect some videos from us on a weekly basis.
On a whole nother level. So, Sophia, what have you been doing?
Oh, took a little hiatus.
Just a few bullet points.
Took a hiatus.
Okay, hiatus.
She's back. She's ready to make some videos. She got a new wig.
She
Not
has
that
a
I'm
new
wearing.
look.
Not that I'm wearing. But I'm back. And here
Better
we are.
than ever, I
Here
would
we
say.
are. Got some boobs.
Exquisite.
They're not fake. They're actually not fake. I'm going to make a transition update video next.
You better make that transition video. So anyways, hi, it's me. My name is Brian.
Oh, she just stole. She just stole it.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta take it when you can get it.
True.
So, okay.
And she can't get it off.
Brian, please. Thank you. So Brian, Prissy,
Christina.
You can call me just like Sissy. Actually, that was
Sissy Montiel.
Sissy Montiel. If you've seen some old videos, that's me. So thank you for having me come on, Sophia.
You're welcome.
You know, take charge of this channel. So yeah.
We need a man on the channel.
We really do. We need a queer.
Does anyone want to sign up?
Thank you for coming. Applications are below. So yeah, so we are just here to do a little intro. And thank you for watching. We'll have more content up next week.
Let us know what y'all want to see from us, because
Yes, please.
That would be helpful.
It's a very hard thing for us right now.
You would never know.
You would never know. You just never know.
You just never know.
Okay.
Bonus
so
points to anyone who knows what that's from.
Give us a like. Give us a shout out on Twitter.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Just everything you can do.
To really support us.
I mean, we need as much as we can get. So, yeah. Look for a video next week.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you
Right?
so much for being subscribed. Sorry that you watched this video. If you watched this video,
You thought there was going to be content. But, you know, I would say our chemistry is the content, sweetheart.
do we have chemistry?
I mean, we did date, like, back when you were a boy.
Me and you? Did we date? Are you serious?
I mean, we did go to all those, like, lunches after Spanish class.
Thank you guys so much for
thank
stopping
you.
by.
Bye.